they don't pay attention to the basics. What we're gonna do today is take these three chords, C, A minor, and F, embellish them and use essential, I would say, harmonic devices. Check it out. So, just open string, nothing much, shell chords, 7 chords, so C major 7, A minor 7, F major 7, open string. Cool, but let's make sure we're hearing it. So, do, la, fa, right, that's the bass. Do, la, fa. We want to tag the information, so you want to feel how these chords feel to you. Try to give it words, and now I'm adding G. I'll slow it down a little bit. Check out that 6-9 2-9 G sus. C major 7. You can use the same shape. Okay, you probably know this so far. Now I'm going to use the secondary dominant, which is one of the most important devices. So instead of the A minor, I'm changing it to A7, D minor, just using shell for a second. Same bass. So 1, but this is 5 of 2, 2, 5. Check it out. Triton sub, A7 13, flat 13, Triton sub. I'm gonna go back to our original, it's like a verse. Maybe with the 9. The same idea of secondary dominant we can also do to another degree. So 1, 5 of 3, 3, 4. What I'm doing here is the 5 of 3, 3 to the 4. I can also do, right? 1, 5 of 4, 4, 4 minor 6. I can stay in that area. The classic. 2, 5. What is important for me is to understand that we can take C major chords, the shell chords, and really create magic. We just need to mess around and try to hear what we're doing. And then we can really express things in a very, very beautiful way, because honestly it's not a lot of shapes. It's just about taking them and understanding what we're doing and not thinking about A7 as just a random chord, but saying, oh, this is the 5 of 2 leading to the 2, right? Because not understanding is oftentimes the issue. If we understand that B7 is the secondary dominant of the 3 and we can actually hear it, that's a huge thing. Alright, I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.